Hey guys, Nancy Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Well, I sure am. I'm just hanging out in my van here in a parking lot. Some might say, how fun is that? Well, it is fantastic fun. Let me just tell you about it. I love the fact that I have everything I need in this van. I have a refrigerator down here. That's my garbage. Don't mind that. I've got to take that out. I've got power. I've got heat down there if I want it. I don't need it because at the moment it's 62 in the van and it is 32 outside. So there's a 30-degree difference from inside the van and outside the van, and I'm dressed for it. I've got double layers on here. I've got my house shoes on. These are my wool shoes. I just got them. And they're my indoor shoes at home, and they're my indoor van shoes in the van. But I've got everything I need. I've got a toilet. I've got food, I've got a bed, I've got power, I've got lights, I've got heat if I want it. I've got everything, and I'm just completely content. And it's really great to be able to just hop in your van, go somewhere, and then get back in your van and have everything you need at your fingertips. It's just thebomb.com. Yeah, van camper at its finest. Here I am. Yeah. So anyhow, I think I'm going to head to Traverse City and visit my brother. I'm going to rock hunt along the way. And from there, tomorrow, I'm going to go home. So that is all. I just wanted to say, hey, this is what I got going on here. This is my latest setup. And I want to say I love this table. I love this setup. It is so fantastic. Let me just move up here a little bit so you can see what I got going on the other side. I'll try to be slow. This is my bedding. And I just folded it up. And I'm using it as a backrest on the front seat there. My refrigerator. My trash needs to go out. It's by the door, and there are my shoes. Hand sanitizer. That's a light right there. That disc. That's a light that I hang from the ceiling at nighttime. And just all my goods here. But anyhow, I am perfectly content just hanging out in my van and just being free, doing what I want to do, going where I want to go, having everything I need in this van. It's fantastic. I absolutely love van camping, and I love being completely self-sufficient. Anyhow, just wanted to check in, let you know what the plan is, and letting you know I'm getting ready to hit the road. All right, I will catch you guys later. See you then. Until next time.